Good day everyone, my name is Cherry. We're here today to discuss about ozone layer depletion, what it is, how it happens, and even some solutions to prevent ozone layer depletion. First, let us find out what ozone layer is. Well, ozone is actually a region in Earth's atmosphere. This protects the Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. The ozone absorbs around 97 to 99% of UV lights. After knowing that ozone layer protects us from UV lights, what exactly is UV light or ultraviolet light? Ultraviolet radiation is a form of electromagnetic radiation from the sun. Now, what is radiation? It is actually the emission or sending out of energy from any source. So simply, UV light is an electromagnetic radiation of energy that emits from the sun. To continue, let us now discuss what ozone layer depletion is. This is the gradual thinning of the Earth's ozone layer due to the release of chemical compounds containing gaseous bromine and chlorine from industries or other human activities. As you can observe here on the right side, an image is shown pertaining to ozone and the UV lights passing through. The red or orange spot is the depletion of ozone. With depletion, more and more UV lights gets through, resulting to more harmful radiation received by Earth. The arrows that are pointing away are UV lights reflected back by the ozone layer, so ozone reflects extreme UV lights back, giving us protection. How does ozone layer depletion happen? Chlorine and bromine atoms can destroy the ozone molecules, as one chlorine or bromine atom can destroy about 100,000 molecules of ozone, as ozone are destroyed quickly than it could create. There are compounds that release chlorine and bromine on exposure to high ultraviolet light. This contributes to the depletion of ozone. These compounds are called ozone depletion substances, or ODS. What are these compounds? It contains chlorine such as chlorofluorocarbon, carbon tetrachloride, hydrochlorofluorocarbon, and methyl-chloroform, and compounds containing bromine such as halogens, methyl bromide, and hydrobromofluorocarbons. Here is a table that shows the compound and some human-made technologies or materials that contain chlorine and bromine, or what we call ozone-depleting substances and sources. Such as chlorofluorocarbons can be found in refrigerators, air conditioning, and solvents, etc., even halogens from fire extinguishers, and so much more. Now it's time to discuss about the causes of ozone layer depletion. Chlorofluorocarbons, these are main causes of ozone layer depletion, released by solvents, spray aerosols, and much more. When these compound in the stratosphere is exposed to UV light, it would then be broken down releasing chlorine atoms, as these atoms react with ozone and destroy them. Then, unregulated rocket launches. Researchers says that unregulated launching results in much more depletion. If this is not controlled, it may result to huge loss of ozone by year 2050. As we know, rockets uses fuels that emits harmful gaseous substances. The nitrogenous compounds. These compounds, such as nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen monoxide, and nitrous oxide, are highly responsible for the depletion of ozone layer. Natural causes, yes, even nature harms the ozone, but not all of it. Example, if volcanic eruptions, as they are responsible of emitting harmful gaseous content when erupting, contributing to ozone layer depletion. Let us now move on to effects of ozone layer depletion. For human health, these would cause serious health issues, such as skin disease, cancer, sunburns, cataract, quick aging, and weak immune system. UV lights are beneficial, but too much of it is harmful. For animals, direct exposure leads to skin and eye cancer. As animals are not that different from humans, they could also be harmed by UV lights. For the environment, it would lead to minimal growth and photosynthesis for plants. Even plants and the forest have to experience harmful effects of the UV rays. Lastly, in the marine life, plankton are greatly affected. These are higher in aquatic food chain. If the planktons are extinct, every living organism present in the food chain are affected. Without food source, aquatic animals would perish. Here are some solutions to avoid the depletion of ozone. Avoid using ozone depletion substances, such as avoid using chlorofluorocarbons in refrigerators and air conditioner and replacing halon-based fire extinguishers. Use of nitrous oxide must be prohibited. People should be aware of harmful effects of nitrous oxide. Laws should be applied against them. Next is to minimize use of vehicles. We all know how most vehicles cause air pollution and emits harmful gaseous content, emitting greenhouse gases that could lead to global warming and even ozone depletion. We could use electric cars and/or ride bikes. Lastly, use eco-friendly cleaning products. Most cleaning products contain chlorine and bromine. These products should be substituted with natural products to help prevent ozone depletion. That is all for this lesson. Hope all have understood and learned. Thank you and goodbye.